If you want to check your Gmail right inside Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Gmail in Yahoo Mail step by step so you can connect both accounts and manage your email more easily from one inbox. This is a really useful setup if you're juggling multiple email addresses and want to save time switching between tabs. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and look at the bottom left side of the page. You'll see a More option there. Click on More, then choose Settings. This is where Yahoo Mail keeps the options for connecting and managing your mailboxes. Once the Settings menu opens, look for the Mailboxes section and click it. This area is where you can add and manage different email accounts that will appear inside Yahoo Mail. After that, click Add Mailbox. Yahoo Mail will now ask what kind of account you want to connect. From the list of mail providers, select Google, which is the Gmail option. This tells Yahoo Mail that you want to connect a Gmail account, not a Yahoo account or another provider. After choosing Google, you'll be taken to the Gmail sign-in page. Now, sign in with your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail address first, then type your password when prompted. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that as well. This part is important because Yahoo Mail needs permission to access your Gmail inbox securely. Next, review the permission screen carefully. Yahoo Mail will ask to access your Google account so it can sync your email messages and show them inside Yahoo Mail. Click Allow or the equivalent permission button to continue. This step authorizes the connection between the two services. After you allow access, Yahoo Mail may take a few moments to finish syncing your Gmail account. Once it's connected, you should see your Gmail mailbox added inside Yahoo Mail, and you'll be able to check messages from both accounts in one place. If you ever want to manage the connection later, you can go back to Settings, open Mailboxes again, and review the linked account from there. That makes it easy to add another email account, switch preferences, or disconnect Gmail if you no longer need it. So that's it. You've successfully logged Gmail into Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few steps, but it can make your email workflow much simpler and more efficient. If this guide helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.